Welcome back, guys. So right now let's talk about the technical aspects of this our all-in-one SEO that we're using to configure our search engine optimization. So I'll come right here and you'll see different configure how your website's content will look in Google, Bing, and other search engine. So all you have to do is to click on manage. Now to manage this, we want to manage our search appearance. What's your website will look like? So here we are, and you could see we have the preview, the title separator, which says your website will look this way. It has Billard Creative Studio with the tagline which says creativity without borders. That's what the title separator will be. So you can use any of these as a title separator, either an hyphen or this or a breadcrumb. So there are different separator character, which this is the best. Then you come to your home page. So you see you are using a static home page which is found under pages. You can edit your home page settings directly to change the title and description. So if you want to edit the home page settings, you can from here, and it takes you to the home page where you'll be able to edit. Yes, so you'll be able to edit your home page. That's what it literally means. So it takes you to the home page, but let's leave it like this. So we have the home page. This is what it looks like when you search for Billard Creative Studio. So let me search for Billard Creative Studio right away. So when you see me searching Billard Creative Studio, you see what it brings. Just the same way I'm explaining, just the same way I'm explaining to you, that's what it brought. Billard Creative Studio with an hyphen, then the tagline. Then we have it right here because it was configured here. If you feel like you don't want it this way, you can change it from here. But right now the search appearance is okay. So we have the site title and a name that Google may use for your home page. Then we have an alternate site name. So you have knowledge graph. So the knowledge graph is all about Google, Bing, and other search engines. They use specific data from your schema markup to output data in their knowledge panels. This data is known as the knowledge graph. Use these settings to change how that data looks. So now it's all about data. So let's see what we can do. So it says website name. So we have the site title and we have the alternate website name. An alternate name for your site. This could be an acronym or shorter version of your website name. Then the person or organization. If you're an individual, you switch to this. If you're an organization, you switch back to organization. So here we have organization name, and it says click on the tags below to insert variables in your template. So you have the description, which I inputted this after the tagline. So we inputted this into the organization description. So you could take out the tagline if you don't want the tagline to be there. All you have to do is to use your backspace to take it out. So you get to input your backspace and it takes the tagline out. So you have your site title, and you could add every other thing. You could say you want to view all tags. You could add tagline to the organization name. So it's going to have the site title and the tagline, which is something like this: Billard Creative Studio, creativity without borders. Then we have that. Then we can go on and on. You have your email address. So our email address will be info@billardcreative.com. So we're going to have that, and the phone number will be this. Yes, perfect. And the founding date, let's put the founding date. So it's going to be 3rd of April 2025. Number of employee, so we have 10, okay, 5, let's say 5 to 20. Yes, 5 to 20 employee. Then we have our logo. Official logo is uploaded right here. Then you can configure your local SEO. So we're going to save that changes. So basically that will change the way your site appears. Then we can still go on to talk more about other ways we can change the way our site appears or the way the company name appears. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to talk more about the technical parts of this SEO with WordPress. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.